Which floor jack is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, DNA Motoring Low Profile Jack. First up is the DNA Motoring Tools 00234 Low Profile Hydraulic Trolley Service Floor Jack. Priced at just $53.19, this jack caught my attention with its impressive 4.4-star rating from about 1,600 reviews. If you want an affordable, reliable jack for basic automotive tasks, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. It has a lifting capacity of 2 tons, perfect for most cars, allowing you to lift from just 5.1 inches to a maximum of 13 inches. That low profile is great for getting under those compact cars. Plus, the built-in safety release valve is a lifesaver. It prevents overloading, so you won't have to worry about damaging your vehicle or injuring yourself. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around the garage, and with over 2,000 bought in the past month, it's clearly popular. Now, some people complained about its limited capacity. It's only suitable for cars, not for larger SUVs or trucks. Here's the thing though, if you're just working on standard cars, this isn't a deal breaker. It's exactly what you need. This is perfect for you if you're a casual DIYer looking to handle small jobs in your garage. Skip this one if you work on larger vehicles or need something heavy-duty. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if that limited capacity bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Big Red T43202 Jack Stands. Next, we have the Big Red T43202 Torin Heavy-Duty Steel Jack Stands. At just $32.73, these stands are a great companion to any jack. With a whopping 4.7-star rating from over 12,500 reviews, you can see why they've become a bestseller. If you want safety and stability while working on your vehicle, this is worth a serious look. These jack stands can hold up to 3 tons and have an adjustable height from 11.14 inches to 16.34 inches, which is great for various cars. The wide pyramid footbase provides added strength and stable support, which is vital when you're under a vehicle. Plus, their forged steel construction ensures durability, so you know they'll last through years of use. With safety features like a double locking pawl, they meet ASME standards, which is a must-have for peace of mind. Now, some reviews mention that the height adjustment can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's really not that bad, and the extra safety features definitely make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you need reliable support while working on your car. Skip this if you don't want to deal with a bit of adjustment hassle. They offer fantastic value for the money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more lifting power. Product number 3, Jack Boss Floor Jack. Now let's talk about the Jack Boss Floor Jack, priced at $145.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from about 1,000 reviews, this jack is built for serious lifting. If you want something that can handle heavy lifting with ease, this is worth a serious look. This floor jack can lift up to 3 tons, perfect for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. It features a lifting range from 5.15 inches to 18.3 inches. So whether you're doing a tire change or routine maintenance, you'll have plenty of height. Its durable steel construction means you can count on this jack for a long time, plus the flexible swivel casters make positioning it a breeze. This jack meets ANSI ASME safety standards, so you're covered there too. However, some users mention that at 3 kilograms, it's a bit heavier than expected. But here's the thing, that extra weight adds stability, which is crucial when you're lifting heavier vehicles. This is perfect for you if you need reliability and power in a floor jack. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. For its features, it's a fair price. Now, if you want something with even more versatility, the next one might just be your best bet. Product number 4, Jack Boss Racing Floor Jack. Next up is the Jack Boss Low Profile Racing Floor Jack. Priced at $169.99 and with a 4.6-star rating from about 706 reviews, this jack is a solid choice for those who need a little extra performance. If you want a jack that's both powerful and easy to maneuver, this is worth a serious look. This jack lifts up to 3 tons and has a min lifting height of just 3/15-16 inches, making it perfect for low-profile vehicles. The dual-piston quick lift pump allows you to get your car up quickly, which is a huge time saver. Plus, the durable aluminum and steel construction ensures it will hold up well in your garage. You can really feel confident using it, especially since it meets relevant safety standards. Now, some users did find it a bit cumbersome to carry around due to its weight. But honestly, the build quality and quick lift feature more than make up for that. Once it's in place, it's super stable. This is perfect for you if you have low-clearance vehicles and need quick access. Skip this if you want something lighter and easier to carry around. It's a good investment for its features. Now, if you're looking for an even more budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, let's check out the final product. Product number 5, Big Red T83006 Hydraulic Trolley Jack. Finally, we have the Big Red T83006 Hydraulic Trolley Jack, priced at $99.99. With a 4.3-star rating from about 3,900 reviews, this jack is a reliable option for those needing a mix of performance and affordability. If you need a jack that can handle different vehicle types effectively, this is worth a serious look. That means it can handle most cars, SUVs, and trucks with ease. The single-piston quick lift pump is a nice touch, helping you get your vehicle up quickly. Plus, the extra long saddle neck is ideal for taller vehicles, saving you time and effort during your work. However, some reviews did mention a tendency for the jack to feel a little less stable at max height. Here's the thing, if you're lifting something really heavy, just be sure to double-check everything. It's still a solid jack for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile jack for various vehicles. Skip this if stability at maximum height is a major concern for you. For the features, it's a great value. To wrap it up, we've looked at some great options today. The DNA Motoring Low-Profile Jack for budget-friendly lifting, Big Red T43202 for stability, the Jack Boss Floor Jack for heavy-duty tasks, the low-profile Jack Boss Racing Floor Jack for performance, and the Big Red T83006 for versatility. Each has its strengths, so choose one that best fits your needs.